the dash right.
Right knee, inboard knee. Good deal.
Yeah, no. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the 2022 Rivian R1T, and we've just wrapped up safety ratings for this vehicle here at IIHS. The R1T scores good ratings in 6 crashworthiness tests. Those include the driver's side and passenger side small overlap, the moderate overlap, the original side test, the head restraints test, and the roof strength test. The R1T also performed really well in our crash avoidance testing, earning superior ratings for vehicle-to-vehicle and daytime pedestrian crash avoidance. It also earns a good rating for its only available headlights. The R1T earns a 2022 Top Safety Pick Plus for 2022 and 2023 model year vehicles. To learn more about these new ratings, head to IIHS.org.